Alexa Master.
Hey guys, another support ticket I have to answer quickly. This question came from Francisco Moreno. I hope my pronunciation is correct. Otherwise, I beg your pardon. So he asked a nice question about image ads. It's under any other question. Here's the question. Hi, I want to pay for image ads to promote my website. I need to know if you use bot traffic because I can't resend in bots to my website and getting banned on my ad network. How does the image ads package work? Where do that traffic comes from? A long question, but I think others. I'm not specially answering this to Francisco Moreno, also for the others. Especially, I should say something. These ads, image ads and text ads, what you submit there, it will go inside to the database and then generate a snippet. We call it small code. That code can be embedded on other websites. So you asked about ads, image ads. This is why I'm going to answer about technical process inside image ads. Otherwise I will explain something else. So here you have to identify how it works very carefully. So you submit your image ads and it will be inside a database. Then the system generates the snippet and it will be spread over the network. And so then this one mainly about this traffic. Okay, if someone clicks on your ads, that traffic comes to your website. So if there will be the IP addresses, this is very deep technical thing that you have to understand. I think you're a marketer, so you understand how it works. Let's say someone in our community use an IP address which is blacklisted by your ads provider, then they will probably, not probably, for sure, they will mark that IP address in their logs and it affects to your campaign. So I cannot tell you one thing. If you really want to get organic, real traffic, then still you are taking an advertising section. There can be a risk if you don't use some filters inside your website. This I'm really doubtful about your question because mainly ads provider. If it is Google AdSense, they have different techniques to identify the IP addresses. Let's say you generate impressions, but still it's not enough. They want you to make actions. For example, click, right click, left click, or scrolling down. This all stuff will be measured using Google AdSense. But if you're using another one, they will have different techniques. So from my angle, if you're really sensitive about some issues, to face some troubles from your ads provider, do not use any service in Alexa Master because you can use other services like Market, Small Jobs, but if you're going to advertising section, there can be people, they are coming from different locations, different IP addresses. If you don't have any filter with your website, then don't advertise in Alexa Master. So that's my advice. So we are not focusing on sales, we are focusing on experience, mainly users experience like you. So if you get a trouble with your advertising provider, it's a big problem. But I can say from my experience, many advertisers, they use Alexa Master without issues, but they use some filters like, HT access file, which is a technical, some server-side implementation. This file can handle some IP addresses, like filtering some bad IPs, and also you can use some JavaScript to identify whether your users stay on the page longer or not. So you can implement this kind of techniques to filter traffic. Then I think it will be okay to use Alexa Master, but risk is there. So my honest opinion, if you're a sensitive person about this kind of thing, don't try Alexa Master, but you still can use Alexa Master market and small job section. Ask some freelancers to help you to get real organic traffic or something. But still the risk is there. Even if you use another, let's say you use another advertising provider, maybe you go to Fiverr, buy someone's service, or you go to Facebook or somewhere, but still this risk is there. You have to be careful with your advertising provider. So I recommend you to create some long-term technical method inside your website to protect your ads. But simple answer, in this case we are not sending bots traffic, but inside the community there can be a bad person, he can misuse our system, then it can affect your advertising. So all the time our moderators, they try to ban these fake and dangerous accounts. So we want to keep the system clean, but it can happen. It's I cannot promise you something. So that's why I am telling, if you're sensitive, stop advertising, even no traffic, no ads like text ads or images. Just focus on only organic traffic from search engine. So, but you can still use market and small job section to create backlinks. Also our blog section, it can help you to create backlinks. So Alexa Master is a bunch of tools. That's what I really want to tell you. It's not all about advertising and getting traffic. We focus more services. So go to market, try something. I hope it will help. But that's it for Francisco. So try to be careful. Thanks for watching. So you guys asked what I'm doing. Main question. I'm in the sun, having a vacation. So awesome, but don't ask when I'm going to launch the next update. I'm so bored. I will have to finish a lot of course. But the new update is really awesome, but slow. So don't ask. It's a day, is the day. The date is 1st of May 2022. You have to wait. But if I can surprise you before that, you can get it. Let me chill.